cleaning of drums. An empty drum is not truly empty, especially if it once contained flammable liquids. You can drain out every last drop, but the drum will still hold danger. Why? Because the liquid gives off vapor. This vapor mixes with the air inside the drum, filling the empty space. Many of you know this vapor-air mixture is exactly what causes explosions. It's what explodes in a car engine cylinder. It's what explodes when someone lights a match to check if a gas tank is empty. Any drum that held flammable liquids, like oils, solvents, or varnish, is a loaded bomb, waiting to explode if mishandled. Before reusing a drum, and especially before welding it, it must be completely cleaned. Here is the detailed procedure to clean a drum safely. First, remove all sources of fire, sparks, or heat from the area where the drum will be opened. This includes unprotected lights and electrical switches. If you cannot eliminate these hazards, you must do the job somewhere else. Wear the required protective gear: rubber boots, rubber or asbestos gloves, and a rubber apron. Use a long-handled wrench to remove the plugs and drain out any remaining liquid. Inspect the drum's interior with an explosion-proof light to check for rags or debris that might block proper drainage. Then, place the drum on a rack or hang it securely for at least 5 minutes to allow it to drain completely. Next, clean it with steam for at least 10 minutes. Some materials may require longer. Follow the proper instructions. Then, pour in a caustic solution and roll the drum for 5 minutes. Some materials may require special caustics. Use a wooden stick to gently tap the outside of the drum. This helps loosen any residue. Wash the drum with hot water, letting it drain through the opening. Then wash the outside with steam and hot water. Dry it thoroughly with a stream of hot air. When dry, inspect it again with the explosion-proof light. If there's any doubt about its cleanliness, steam it again. Never try to clean a drum if you don't know what it contained. Some substances require special procedures. Before cleaning, make sure you fully understand the correct and safe method to do it.